Guten Tag, I'm Chris Trench, a Senior Product Engineer at Ashworth. Ashworth is a leading global conveyor belt company that manufactures and services both metal and plastic belting for straight running, turn curve, and spiral applications. Our specialty is custom belting that offers the best solution for your specific needs. With over 75 years of revolutionizing the future of conveyor belts, companies around the world depend on Ashworth's quality products, reliable customer service, and innovative solutions to resolve problems and increase productivity. I look forward to seeing you in Munich, Germany at IBA, the world's leading trade fair for the baking and confectionery industry, along with other Ashworth team members from engineering, customer service, and sales. Our stand will feature the best of both worlds, which includes a vast line of metal conveyor belting as well as our newest plastic belt line. We'll also be showcasing our latest smart technology innovations for both spirals and ovens. We invite you to take part in our smart technology demos that take the guesswork out of maintenance. Our technology is based around two top considerations: easy access and preventing unplanned downtime, the end result being a system that ultimately improves performance and efficiency. At IBA, you'll have the opportunity to view our PosiDrive system in action, the industry's original direct drive spiral. As an industry pioneer, we developed the PosiDrive spiral to save you time and money. With its unique cage design, the PosiDrive system maintains product orientation, lowers belt tension, and increases product capacity. A perfect solution for oily products. The PosiDrive system is designed for processing both heavy and lightweight products and is ideal for retrofitting proofers, coolers, and spiral freezers. I invite you to join me at IBA 2023 at the Ashworth stand located in Hall A1, stand 371. Meet our experts, participate in our demos, and witness our innovation firsthand, so together we can provide you with a simplified solution to help your business succeed and keep you moving forward.